All right, I bet you have never seen this trick before. It is called a tornado. So when we do this trick, I'm gonna walk through it step by step. Your right arm's gonna be in the air. You wanna kind of start with your weight on your right leg as well. So you're going to switch positions with your left leg and your right arm very first. So that's your first step. You go this way, okay? Then from there, you're going to pick up your other leg and place your other hand on the floor. So I'll do that just to step 2. Go up, up. Then from there, you're gonna shoot up into a normal handstand, step 3. Shooting up to that normal handstand, I'll go to there. So we're here, we go here, here, up. Okay, so we're in that nice solid handstand. Then we bring our right shoulder from our handstand position and flip it to the front. So I'll do it all the way through. You really want to engage your core on this and make sure that your hips are stacked over those shoulders. Here we go, all the steps together. Leg, leg, handstand, twist those shoulders. Nice. All right, so this is a super tricky trick, but once you get it, it's a lot easier than it seems. You guys got this.